An example of a group decision-making technique is Option A. Nominal group technique. Option B. Majority. Option C. Affinity diagram imagery image. D. Multi-criteria decision analysis. The correct answer is option A. Which process documents the business needs of a project and the new product, service, or other result that is intended to satisfy those requirements? Option A. Develop project management plan. Option B. Develop project charter. Option C. Direct and manage project execution imagery image. D. Collect requirements. The correct answer is option B. Which of the following is a conflict resolution technique that emphasizes areas of agreement rather than areas of difference? Option A. Compromising. Option B. Collaborating. Option C. Smoothing image. D. Problem solving. The correct answer is option C. The links between the processes in the process groups are often Option A. Intuitive. Option B. Iterative. Option C. Measured imagery image. D. Monitored. The correct answer is option B.